Okay, in this brief tutorial I would like to show you how to create folders and populate those folders with documents in OpenCMS. The process of creating a folder is basically two-step. So the first step would be to create the folder, and then the second step would be to copy this special folder navigator.jsp inside of it. But I wanted to cut down on the number of steps required and make a little shortcut here. So I created this folder called sample folder, and I already placed a copy of folder navigator inside of it. So all we have to do is basically just make a copy of this to our new folder. So I'll make a left click on sample folder and then click on copy, and then make sure that we have copy all resources, even siblings, checked, and then we'll navigate to the base folder to contain it, which is Griffith Council, and let's append proclamations to it. Click OK, and now we have a new folder called proclamations, and inside of proclamations there is a folder navigator. If you can notice here, any folder that hasn't been yet published will have this lock and a flag, which means that it's still work in progress. So until it's published, this flag will be present. So let's create another subfolder inside of proclamations, and we'll call it 2000. So we'll use the same technique as before. Before we do that, though, let's not forget to add this folder to navigation. So we'll click on properties. We'll change the title to say proclamations. We'll click on add to navigation, and the navigation text will make the same as the title. Click OK, and now let's make another copy of this sample folder, and let's call it 2000. So all the 2000 files will go into it. Click OK. Let's add this to navigation. And now we are ready to upload some files. Now what I did is, since there are multiple files in this folder, rather than uploading the files one by one, I zipped them all up into one file. And OpenCMS has the ability to basically take one file, which is a zip file, and then unzip it and create individual files. So I will click on upload. I will navigate to find the file that we want to upload. That's the zip file. Make sure you check this flag when you click finish. Now the files have been created. So now all we need to do is basically add each file to navigation. Now the title property should be pretty much close to what the file name is. So if you named your files properly, you really don't have to change the title. So the only thing that we need to change is change the navigation. And what I would do is I would reuse the same title, Proclamation 2000. Or we can just grab it from here, actually. And again, if the files are named properly, they should be sequenced properly as well. So as you can see, 2001 1, 2002 2, 3 4, they're pretty much sequenced out of the box. So the only thing that we have to do then is just make sure that the title matches. And you have to do this for each file. Now if you need to change the sequencing, then you would use this drop down to basically say, okay, I want to insert this file after either at the first position, last position, or after one of these existing files. But since they're already sequenced, then you don't have to do anything, or it's basically just as saying, you know, insert it after this one. And now this folder is ready to be published. So all you have to do is just go down to the top level and select the publish directly option. And what it'll do is it'll publish anything that's inside of the folder and any subfolders, so any documents will be published. Click OK. And now, as you can see, the lock and the flag is gone, so that means this one is pretty much ready to be published inside of the portal. So this is all there is to it. Thanks for watching.